Okay, welcome back. This is going to cover writing quadratic equations given at least 3 points. We're going to use quadratic regression. So this is a regression approach. Quadratic regression is performed using a graphing calculator or other technology that offers an alternative approach to formulating quadratic functions given 3 or more points or a set of data. So we're going to be using Desmos in this one specifically. We're going to use the regression approach to formulate the quadratic function represented on the table below. So we have our table of values, our x column and our f of x column. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull up Desmos here. So you just have to kind of follow along. So I'm going to pop up my Desmos screen. And all we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus sign up at the upper left corner. We're going to add a table, and then we're going to add the values for our x and our y's. So we don't have to make the columns say the same thing that the assignment has here. We just need to know what the columns are called here in Desmos. So we have -32 and -49. We have -10. We have -126. And then we have 18 and we have -574. So this is going to give us a couple options. If I was wanting to use the graph, I could use it, but I don't need the graph to write the equation. So now all we need to know is what are the column names? They are named x1 and y1. We also need to know what is the general form of the equation. And so on your screen, you'll see that I already have the calculator instructions written. They're going to be y1 squiggle ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. The thing you have to be just very certain about is what the actual like column names are. They have to match here. They need to say the same thing. If they don't say the same thing, then you're going to get either errors or it's going to reference the wrong table or something like that in Desmos if you have more than one table. So you just need to make sure that they match. So now in Desmos, oh, we're gonna go back to that. Don't know what I did there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take um, Y1, and then squiggle is shift and the button to the left of your 1 key, and then we're gonna type AX1 plus BX or AX1 squared. I forgot the square part. So shift 6 squared plus BX1 plus C. So the values that I'm looking for are my ABCs. So here I have negative 0.25 for my A value. I have B is -14 and C is -241. So what that means then, and let me go ahead and close the screen here, is we're going to write this function using Desmos. So we had y, or actually it's called f of x according to this. So we're going to say f of x equals negative 0.25 x squared minus 14x minus 241. And that would be the function using quadratic regression.